Kaklo or a kaklo is on a bill of fare today. Hello, it's a great honor to have you on the channel today. My name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen where I share easy recipes. Please do not make it the last time I visit it because you will love it here, okay? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. My returning subscribers and followers, I am so grateful for always spending some quality time with me. Now let's start with today's activity. I have with me here my plantains, ripe plantains. Okay, so when your plantains get to this stage, you don't have to discard them. You can actually use them for a lot of things, and in today's video, like I said earlier, we are going to use it for a kaklo or kaklo. Before you start, you have to make sure you wash it very well. Okay, wash it very well before you start with the preparation. Now we are done washing everything. I am just going to peel the skin and then we can continue with our preparation. We are on all social media platforms and the name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please follow us for more detailed videos. If you want our short videos, please follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and then our YouTube short. We have our tree channel where we share delicious and so computations meals. Do not go and look for computations, it's not a word, okay? So computations meals, and with that we use our local dialect. So please check us there. The name is Recipe Goddess on YouTube. Okay, we are on YouTube only. Now I'll continue with the peeling, and when we are done we will continue. If you've watched me till this point, it means you love the video. So please, can you like the video for me, share to others, leave me your comment in the comment section, and let me know how you also prepare your kaklo or akaklo at home. Do you want it very spicy or how do you want it? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much. Now I am done peeling with everything and I am just going to take you to my working surface. So in here I have my pepper, ginger, cloves, and then my pink salt. That is not Maggi cube, okay? You don't need Maggi cube in this recipe. So that is my pink salt, and then my cloves, ginger, and pepper. I'll make sure I grind it very well and then we proceed. You can actually use dry pepper for this recipe as well. Should my voice has changed, I am so sorry. I had to pause and then go and find something to eat. That is just by the way. Now we are done grinding everything, okay? So I am just going to add the plantains that we peeled earlier and then grind that as well. I hope you understand. Now the spiciness of this recipe depends on you. If you want it very spicy, you make sure the pepper is too much. But with that habanero pepper I added, if you know, you know, it is extremely spicy. Okay, yes, this was very spicy, and I wish I used just half of that, but we were done with it and there is nothing we could do. Yes, now this is where we've gotten to, and as you can see, it looks so good. If you want to grind it very smooth, it depends on you. If you want it a bit lumpy, it depends on you. But this is how we are going for. It is not smooth and it is not very lumpy as well. Just look at that. The aroma of the cloves, oh my goodness, made this very nice and very flavorful. Make sure you taste for the salt, and if it is okay, you are good to go. If you want to add more, that is fine. So with this recipe, traditionally they don't add eggs to it, okay? But I decided to add 2 eggs and I'll go ahead and mix it, meaning you can make this without eggs. So to those of us who do not take egg, please do not worry yourself, okay? I decided to add this to it. Now I've added my half cup of all-purpose flour. Okay, you can as well use your corn flour, the one we use for akple. Yes, you can actually use that as well. You can use roasted corn flour or your kokonte. Any flour that you have, you can use it for this recipe. And I think the plantains were about 8 or 9 or so. Okay, so I am saying that because you don't have to add a lot of flour to it, else it will become very hard. You are supposed to get that soft kaklo when even they are they have cooled down. Okay, yes, so we use just half cup of all-purpose flour to 8 or 9 plantains. Now my oil was hot, and then I started dropping my kaklo, and just look at that, it looks so good. If the other side is well fried, you flip the other side, or you flip it to the other side so that it can fry very well. You can pair this with your grinded pepper with some fish, or you can pair it with beans, but it goes very well with beans, and with the pepper it is so good as well. Okay, yes, just make sure you keep an eye on it so that you do not burn it. Thank you so much for spending some time with me till this point. Please do not forget to like this video, share to others, and also leave me your comment in the comment section. This is how it looks. Just look at that, so nice. And please, if you haven't subscribed or followed yet, can you do so for me? It is absolutely free. They don't take money. Whenever you are frying something, okay, when you remove it from the oil, it continues to cook. So you make sure you don't fry it too much, because if you remove it from the oil, it will still be cooking or frying till it cools down. Okay, so that is why I removed it this time, and when it stays for some few minutes, it is going to become that brown color we are looking for. I'll continue with the frying till I am done with everything. So I am not going to show you everything again so that I'll take much of your time. Now I finished everything behind camera, and just look at that, absolutely delicious and very soft. We paired this with pepper and then our grilled tilapia. It was so inviting. Thank you so much for watching. So I come your way next time. I love you. Take good care of yourself. Bye.